Calcium carbide is a fundamental raw material for the chlor-alkali industry, playing an important role in industrial production. In acetylene production, high gas yield calcium carbide can reduce production costs and improve overall efficiency. In the desulfurization and deoxidation process of steel smelting, calcium carbide can effectively remove sulfur and oxygen impurities from molten steel, improving the quality of steel. TYWH provides tailored solutions for calcium carbide applications to effectively meet our clients' production needs. Rigorous quality management is implemented throughout the entire process. First, we conduct visual inspections on calcium carbide raw materials to ensure that qualified incoming materials are used in production. In chemical analysis, sampling is crucial to ensure accurate test results. Correct sampling reflects the quality indicators of the entire batch of goods, providing reliable basis for us to continuously supply high-quality calcium carbide. Guided by the principle of safety and efficiency in production, TYWH has an annual output of 120,000 tons of calcium carbide on the strength of its 8 fully automatic filling production lines. Our strong production capacity provides reliable procurement assurance for our clients. State-of-the-art crushing and screening technology ensures that qualified rate of particle size screening is more than 90%. Iron impurities are effectively removed from calcium carbide through special equipment. TYWH's proprietary automated filling machines are equipped with a high-precision weighing system from Siemens, ensuring that each drum of calcium carbide meets the weight requirements. Inflating the drums with nitrogen is essential to ensure safety in calcium carbide storage and transportation. Sufficient inventory and efficient logistics management ensure prompt delivery of calcium carbide. Thank you for your attention to TYWH. We look forward to working with you.